Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to start collecting Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards come in different types like Pokemon, Trainer, and Energy cards. Cards have different rarities usually marked by symbols, a circle which is common, a diamond which is uncommon, and a star which is rare. Special cards include holographic, full art, and promo cards. Do you want to collect for fun, build decks to play the game, or invest to trade for value? Your goal will guide you on how to collect. Start with the starter packs or booster packs. They give you ready-to-play decks, great for learning the game. Also, you can buy a card binder or storage box to keep your cards safe. Use sleeves for protection. Use websites like TCG Player or Pokemon Price to check card prices. Rare and mint condition cards tend to be more valuable. Visit local card shops on online forums and trade cards with other collectors. You can also attend Pokemon tournaments and events. Buy sealed booster boxes for better value if you want a lot of cards, or sell or trade duplicates to get cards if you want. And finally, have fun. Collect cards that you like visually or that have sentimental value, and don't stress about getting every rare card right away. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.